Hello, how you doing? On the menu today, I'm going to be making this chicken with hoisin sauce. It's got some absolutely wonderful flavors in it. It really is delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, so we're going to get started with our chicken. Now I've got a 1 kg or 2.2 pound chicken there, chopped up, so different parts in there, you know, leg, thigh, wings. The bone is in, the skin is on. We're going to get straight to the cooker and fry this off. So I've got my wok here. You're going to need a pan or a wok or something like that. And I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. At this stage, we're simply just going to drop the chicken in and get it fried off. We're going to add a bit of salt and pepper. Very, very simple. Like I say, skin on, bone in. And you can see the size that this has been cut. So on an above medium heat, some black pepper, some salt in the mix, about 7 minutes or so, and I'm going to be throwing this around fairly often. Okay, off goes the heat, and as you can see, we've got some lovely colour on there. Now don't worry, if you think the chicken's not cooked all the way through, don't worry, because there's a further cooking process. What we need to do now is we're going to get the chicken out, set it to one side, but do not throw the oil or anything in the pan. You've got some lovely flavours in there. Okay, so the chicken's done and been set aside. Let's just take a look at these ingredients. So what I've got here is I've got 1 tomato chopped, 1 onion sliced, a little bit of green bell pepper, about a tablespoon of chopped garlic and chopped ginger, fresh chilies. Now it's up to you the amount you put in, of course. These are not massively hot, but got a lovely flavour. And I've got some green onions there cut quite, chunky. I've not, cut them so small. Cut them small if you like. And of course we're going to need some hoisin sauce. So I'm using this particular brand. Use any brand you want. Let's get back to the cooker, get this together. It's beautiful. Okay, so I've got the pan back on. Like I said, all those little bits in there are giving us lovely flavour. What I've done is I've reduced the oil down by about 50%. There was quite a lot of oil in there. Heat is on. In goes the garlic and the ginger, about equal amounts, about a tablespoon each. Just a few seconds in the hot oil. Then we can add our onion. 3 minutes, high heat, keep it moving. Fabulous stuff. Next up, we're going to drop that 1 tomato in, cut nice and small. I'm also now going to add some black pepper. I'm not adding salt because the hoisin sauce is very salty. You can adjust that how you want. We're going to grab our fresh chili and drop that in. Like I said, I'm using these red ones that are not like super hot, but have got a lovely flavour, and I've cut them just in half. You can adjust the amount of chili you use. And now we're going to grab the chicken, and in that goes. And we're going to go for about 5 minutes on this high heat, stirring often. So that tomato's cooked down nicely, broken down. We're now going to add 2 tablespoons of the hoisin. A little bit of water. Keep the heat high, 4 minutes, and keep it moving. Okay, that is absolutely wonderful. Off goes the heat. Let's get those bell peppers in there. Let's get those green onions or spring onions in there, whatever you call them. Give that a mix. Keep them nice and crunchy, you know. They just need a little stir through. And that's it, job done. Check that for salt. Believe me, it's going to be absolutely fine, because that hoisin is very salty. Delicious stuff. Let me get that on a plate. And there you go, very, very simple. Delicious, of course, with some nice white rice. Hope you enjoy that. We will see you very soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.